This is the top 5 most expensive vinyl records in the world in 2022. Fifth place, John Lennon and Yoko Ono Double Fantasy, sold for $150,000. What determines the value of something isn't always obvious when it comes to collectibles and memorabilia. However, that's not the case for Double Fantasy by John Lennon and Yoko Ono. The record was signed by John Lennon himself just hours before his death on December the 8th, 1980. Fourth place, The Beatles, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band, sold for $290,500. This record was the Beatles' 8th studio album and spent close to 28 weeks at number 1 on the record retailer chart in the UK and 15 weeks at number 1 on the Billboard Top LPs chart in the US. So if you combine its impressive credentials with a signature from all 4 Beatles, you've got one highly sought after record. Third place, Elvis Presley, My Happiness, sold for $300,000. This record is Elvis's first ever and includes the 2 cover songs, My Happiness and That's When Your Heart Aches Begin. Grammy award-winning singer-songwriter Jack White bought the test pressing via an online auction in December 2015. Second place, The Beatles' White Album, sold for $790,000. It's well known that Ringo Starr, the drummer of the Beatles, owned the first copy of their self-titled double album. Its serial number is what authenticates it, as they were printed in sequence, with Starr's copy being 0000001. After some time, Starr decided to put his copy up for auction in the United States. It wasn't long before it sold for a jaw-dropping $790,000. First place, WuTang Clan, Once Upon a Time in Shaolin, sold for $2 million. What makes this record so valuable is the fact that only one copy was ever created. It's WuTang Clan's 7th studio album, which they recorded in secret over 6 years. The pressed record was stored in a vault at the Royal Mansour Hotel in Marrakesh, Morocco, and auctioned by Paddle 8 in 2015. The record also came with a contract that stipulates that it cannot be commercially exploited until 2103, but they can release the album for free if they choose. These are the top 5 most expensive vinyl records in the world in 2022. Thank you for spending the time to watch my video. I highly appreciate your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comments below. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.